The gate 57 is about intuitive insight. It's about having intuition in the moment, intuitive insight now. And these two channels that we're going to talk about embody the intuitive awareness about survival of the self in the now. So we're going to look at the 5710 and the 5720. The 5710 goes from the spleen to the G center, the center of self, with the gate 10, which is the gate of the self. So it's about how to be yourself now. And the channel 5720 goes from the spleen, the intuitive insight in the spleen, to the throat center with the gate 20. So it's about expressing or taking action now in the moment. We'll start with the 5710, which is a channel of perfected form. Someone with the 5710 is aware of how to interact with others in a way that preserves or ensures their survival and their health. So if you have the gate 57 without the gate 10 defined, you could experience a fear of the future. And this fear of the future will distract you from staying in the present moment. Like, you'll know what you know, but you don't know how you know it, because that's how the knowing circuit works. And because you know it and you can't prove it, you could project fear about what will happen in the future if you actually live it. In this case, through the gate 10, if you actually step out and step into your full self-empowerment. So this could also lead you to become kind of self-denying, depending on what other conditioning you have in your chart, or because your experience of the gate 10 is inconsistent, you could waver between self-denying and overindulgent. And you may also struggle with behaving in an empowered way. So let's move to the 5720 channel. This is known as the brainwave. When you have the 5720, there's an awareness about what to do without thinking about it. So the 57 brings that intuitive insight together with contemplation in the now in the 20, and there is the ability to have deep penetrating awarenesses and awakenings. And these awarenesses and awakenings can affect and change other people. All of the individual circuitry can change other people when you're really fully living in it as yourself. You have an awareness of what to do without thinking about it. It really kind of goes so quickly that it can be more like doing it without thinking about it, acting on that impulse in the moment. And again, it's auditory. It's the vibrational frequency that prompts you to take that action in the moment. So if you have the gate 57 without the defined gate 20, again, there may be an experience of fear of the future. You may struggle with trusting what you instinctively know. You know what you know through the 57, but you don't know how you know it, but you know it in the moment. And if you hesitate because of conditioning or because you're struggling to express or act on your hunches, then you're going to continue to struggle to trust that instinct. And you might be out of touch with the timing of action or expression.